Brian Tracy has spent 25 years studying the question, why are some people more successful than others? He has concluded that successful people do things differently from unsuccessful people. Time management is life management and personal management. Successful people are good time managers. The core of time management is setting goals. The most important time management idea is to have clear, specific, written goals. Organized plans of action are the key to all success. Analysis is important in time management, and making a list before beginning a task can improve productivity by 25%. Setting priorities is the biggest single problem in human life. The Pareto principle, 80-20 rule, states that 80% of the value of what you do will be contained in 20% of the things that you do. Concentration is critical to success, and it is impossible to accomplish anything worthwhile in life without the ability to concentrate. The ABCDE method is a simple system for organizing goals and plans. Deadlines and rewards are important in time management. The time log is a tool for keeping track of where your time is going. Procrastination is a major time waster, and overcoming it is critical to success. Meetings are an essential part of human life, but 70% of meeting time is wasted. Interruptions, such as telephone calls and walk-in visitors, are major sources of stress in the world of work. Key result areas are the key results that you have been hired to accomplish for your business. Batching tasks can increase productivity by up to 80%. Neatness is critical to productivity, and cleaning your work environment can increase productivity by 20 to 40%. Getting chunks of time to work without interruption is important for doing creative work. Transition time, such as driving or traveling to and from work, can be used for learning and personal growth. The telephone is a business tool, and it is important to get on and off the phone quickly. Punctuality is important for building a reputation for reliability and dependability.